Hey guys, it's me, Christina Marie. I am doing another deodorant video for you guys. Do you guys remember this company a while back, Zion Health? This is called ClayDry deodorant. So I tried this out like, I think a month ago, right? And I was like, wow, I was actually really impressed with their products. But the one fragrance they had sent me was Amber something, which I appreciated it because it was like really strong and it masked my BO. I'll show you guys a clip real quick of my BO. And that smells like sour onions or bad onions. Yes, it does not smell good. And that is my normal smell. If I've been sweating, I did not shower, and I'm not wearing any perspirant, okay? Because deodorants just don't work for me. Good morning, YouTube. So I just woke up. I want to tell you guys, so I showered last night. And I think Zumi had taken my loofah, so I just showered with my hand and soap. That's it, you know. Quick shower. Washed all the stinky parts. I washed my underarms, right? Well, I woke up this morning, and I'm like, I washed my body. I'm smelling my arm, right? And, like, it does not smell. This has never happened unless I maybe go to sleep with an antiperspirant on. Like, I'm waking up and it doesn't smell at all. And if I touch it, I really don't even feel the deodorant on my arm. It doesn't smell. I mean, it's drier than normal. So it's kind of interesting. I almost feel like in some ways that it acted like an antiperspirant while I was sleeping, which I'm telling you, like, never happens. At the same time, I don't have any odor. This is like mind-blowing. So yeah, I smell like onions, you know, and it masked that smell. But it worked fantastic. I will honestly, truly say that this is the first company, and no, this is not sponsored at all, so don't get any ideas that this is like, you know, I'm leaning towards them or I'm not leaning towards them, whatever. I'm not. I'm neutral. I'm honest. Okay. So, I tried this company out, right? It was fantastic. You need to put it on when your body is hot, like when you get out of the shower, but I just couldn't embrace the odor. So they sent me a new one, eucalyptus mint, and then, white rum. That reminds me of like drinking. So maybe and I can get drunk? No, I'm just kidding. And then they sent me this other one, the original, because you know what? I'm telling you guys the truth. The original, you know what? Just hold on one second. Let me grab it. The original formula, the silk formula, doesn't work for a darn dang minute for me. It's almost like a traditional deodorant where it's like this really silky, like slippery. This type of deodorant doesn't work for me. I perspire so much, okay? And then the perspiration becomes like, I don't know, what do they say? Like when you perspire and it smells, it's because there's bacteria. I don't know. All I know is it smells like onions. Anyways, this one, the silk formula, just does not work for me. So I know that they watched my video and they were like, maybe we'll send her some other fragrances that she likes. So it's the bold. This is the original smell. Sweet amber. If you like the smell of amber, that's fine. It's just kind of, I'm a little sensitive. The bold is amazing. When I was flipping through their pamphlet, I noticed that there was a different formula called Dare. And so they sent me a Dare. And this is the white rum Dare. So we're going to be testing this out as well to see if it's as good as the bold formula. Now, the bold formula, I will honestly say, let me just open this up and show you guys. The bold formula is like, it's literally like a paste. It almost feels like a paste. The best time to put this on is immediately when you get out of the shower because your body temperature is hotter and it kind of just melts in and slides on. Other than that, it will pull if you put it on when you're completely, well, I do put it on when I'm not, right after I'm not showered, if that makes sense. I do put it on sometimes when I wake up and I don't shower because I showered the night before and put it on, but it will pull the hair because it is such a thick formula. Does it work? Yes. Is this eucalyptus mint like toxic? Yes. I love eucalyptus and I love mint put together. It's very like soothing. It's like I'm in my zen. Anyways, just so you guys know, this is aluminum free and extra strength protection. It has no aluminum. It's vegan. It is friendly. It has no animal testing, no paraffins. This unique formula of ionic clay minerals and essential oils work efficiently to neutralize odor and absorb wetness. That is the darn truth. So they sent me this one, right? And then they sent me this one, this tiny one, little one. I didn't know that they made these tiny little ones. So I opened it and I already tried it. So this is that fragrance, the bold. Let me just tell you, if you guys like citrus, oh my gosh, this is intoxicating. That's the reason I loved the Silk Formula fragrance. It's just like intoxicating citrus-like. So they sent me a tiny little travel one, which I was like, this is so cool. I could just put it in my purse, you know, especially when summertime and your stinky armpits and you're wet under your arm, you know, like I can put this in my purse and I can apply it, especially when my temperature rises, knowing that it will just like kind of melt into the arm. This is in the bold formula. This one. So this one, white rum. It just smells like, I don't know. You know what? Like Eric said that he thought it smelled like rum. And then Pancho said he thought it smelled like an old school Avon perfume. It doesn't bother me. This one's fantastic. I'm going to go ahead and try them out for you guys and tell you whether this, we already have tried out the bold, right? I'll try this out too, just to know, just to let you guys know whether the actual odor, the smell changes as we wear it. Does it stay the same? But I'm really excited to try this Dare out for you guys and let you know, is it as good? Is it the same formula? Is it not? Because the Silk doesn't work for me, but the bold was amazing. Now, is the Dare even more amazing? I don't know. We'll just have to see. So let's go ahead and just jump on over to that video. Okay guys, I'm fresh out of the shower. We're gonna try this other formula they sent me called Dare. Fresh out of the shower, so let's see if it glides. And no, I did not shave. So you can see it, since I'm already hot, it's not as abrasive to move down. You can see like it pulls a little bit, but it slides a whole lot better than if you're completely dry. So we're gonna try this today and cross your fingers that this is as good as their bold formula. Okay guys, so I thought I would turn on the camera. It is 6 p.m. right now. Let me show you. So you can see just a tiny, tiny little bit of wet. I have been wearing this. So it's 6 o'clock right now. I put this on at 7 a.m. and like I do not smell. I smell like my shirt smells like the actual deodorant. And it was that white rum. And it's that new formula. I'll put the formula in the picture right here. I don't smell. I'm telling you guys, if I don't wear an antiperspirant, I will smell all freaking day long. This is the only, this is God honest truth, only deodorant that stops my odor. That actually takes down the sweating process, you know, because I sweat a lot. So for me to have just a tiny bit right there, it's like, wow, I sweat more than the average person. Sometimes I think I have hyperhidrosis because, I think that's what it's called, because like I produce sweat like all the time, everywhere, and it's disgusting. So for me to find a deodorant that is like this awesome is amazing. And I like the fact that it doesn't have like titanium dioxides and stuff that is supposedly linked to cancer. I'm not going to say it is linked to cancer, but there's a lot of research out there that says that the antiperspirants that we purchase over the counter are linked to cancer because of that titanium dioxide in it. This is all natural. So you know what? If you're honestly looking, if you're scared that you have like a family history like I do of breast cancer, and you're really trying to avoid, you know, any harm to your body or your breasts, and you want to go more the natural route, but you want something that actually works, I honestly would say try this, because I am one of those people that is super hard to find something that works to stop my sweating, honestly, and the smell. I know it's TMI, but it's the truth. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. You know what? I'm going to go ahead and link all of the links to this product, to these products down below in the description box. You know, I'll try to find the best price I can find. I think on Amazon, or you know what? Maybe I'll call the company, see if I can get you guys a discount or something. Hey guys, so I'm going to be honest. Like this eucalyptus mint, it's very strong, the smell, but it's strong. It's not strong like it's too overwhelming. It's strong enough to cover my BO. Like I don't even smell my BO coming through. This clay one, the Dare, honestly, you know, it might be different, but to me it worked exactly identical to how the Bold worked. It worked very, very well. Did I get drunk because it's white rum? No, it's just a joke. Did it absorb into my skin, the rum? Just kidding. No, it did not, but it did work exactly the same. Now this little tiny one, which I was like, ooh, this is really cute. I love this. I love this because it is so convenient. Honestly, throw it in your purse, you go. When you start to perspire, I put it on, and it's almost, you know, these Bold and this Dare formula, it almost acts like a barrier. Like it just stops your, I mean, you can sweat through it, don't get me wrong. You still don't have the odor, the BO smell, but it almost acts like a barrier, and it kind of blocks the sweat somewhat. Sometimes, not all the time, depending on what you're doing, your level of activity. But honestly, not a sponsored video at all, guys. I will post some links down below to different, I'll even post this one if you guys want to try it, the silk. It just didn't work for me. If a regular deodorant works for you, then yes, then you might want to try that silk. But I will post a bunch of different links to a bunch of different, the Dare, the Bold, the different fragrances down below. But hopefully while you're down there, I hope you check out the beauty group that I have down there. It's on Facebook. I put in like deals of the week that I find. Sometimes I can find eyeshadow palettes and stuff like that for like $2. Free shipping. The group has nothing but free shipping. That's what I try to do. All Amazon links. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you're down there, please hit that thumbs up button, little subscribe button, and the tiny little bell next to it for notifications of new videos. Let's go over and roll on over to the quote of the day. I love you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching and supporting my channel. I'm Christina Marie. I'm out. Bye.